How to fix Venmo payment declined. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your payment method. Open the Venmo app and go to Settings, Payment Methods. Make sure your linked bank account or card has not expired or been flagged. Try switching to another card or re-adding your current method. Next, confirm internet and app updates. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or also you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, make sure you are using the latest version of Venmo app. Next up, check Venmo's system status. So launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website Town Detector, search for Venmo. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is verify your identity. Sometimes payments fail if your identity is not verified. So go to Settings, Identity Verification, and complete the process with your full legal name, SSN, and photo ID if needed. Lastly, what you want to do is contact Venmo support. Navigate to the website of Venmo Help Center. Click on the option Contact Us. They can help resolve payment blocks or security flags on your account. And that's it. This is how you can fix a declined payment on Venmo. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.